It's spring refresh time and my couches really needed it. So I pulled out my Bissell Little Green Hydro Steam mop, of course, to do my couches, and I absolutely love this thing. This is not going to be an in-depth review, but this is going to be a real mom review of how I use it. Now, you know our couches all year long take a good beating between eating and everything, and this thing really does pull out everything. Look at this water that came out of it. That's pretty gross. It's super easy. Just add the detergent in there and put it to steam and water at the same time. You can do it either way, but I love doing the steam and the water. It just gives that heat and that steam and really good clean. And just go to town with those couches or any spots or anything like that. I've had this for a while and it works absolutely amazing. Super easy to use. I replaced my little green one that was green with this one because that one didn't have steam, and I absolutely love the fact that you can put steam in there. It's gonna come with a 3-year warranty, a tough stain tool. That one's like 5 inches. I have it someplace, not in front of me right now. Don't come at me. I told you this is a quick mom review. And the pet urine liquid cleaner, which you know that stuff works really well, but you can wind up getting whatever you want. The cord is pretty long and so is the hose. So this thing to me, top notch.